Yeah.
All right, this is last garden standing, and we're going to get the melon and cut it, and we're going to let the grandkids help.
Okay. You ready here?
Yup. Look at Piper. Look at. We're going to cut the melon. Look at the melon. Careful. As soon as we get it off, Grandma's got it in some netting. I hung them on trellises this year, as I've showed you in other videos. Looky. Yes. There's Piper. There they are getting.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. Look at it.
Pull it away, Sophie. Pull
it. Pull it.
Ah,
there.
Yeah.
Let's go take it over and cut it.
And cut it.
Woo.
Is it heavy? Come on.
Come on, let's go, girls.
Cut it. Come on, I'll help you.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go cut this. Oh, boy.
There we go.
Let's
Oh,
follow
boy.
Grandma. Come on, let's walk out.
Got the camera, remember.
Got the babies. This way, Piper. Yeah, keep going that way. Keep going. Keep going.
Here we go. It's a big deal to get the melon.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here we go.
Go this way. Good girl. I got you, Piper. I got
Here
you.
we go.
Good girl. Good girl.
Good.
Come on. Let's go
Grandpa's
cut this
got the melon.
Smell it. Smell it.
Smell it. Yeah.
Yeah, come on. Right over here.
We're going to get up here. Take a look. Watch Grandpa. I'm going to come around here. Look how it's going to be cut. Look at.
Let's just wipe this too.
This is an Israeli melon.
Israeli.
Israeli.
No, it's okay. It won't get you. That won't get you. Ready, Sophie? Let's
Here
cut
we go.
this.
We're going to cut it. Watch it being cut.
Watch, Sophie. Ooh, yeah, nice and
Looky.
juicy. Yeah. See that?
Yeah, look
Smell
at.
it. Smell it? Okay, where's that spoon? This one here I'm using?
And here's it.
Then where's my bowl?
Okay, Grandpa's going to get it for us. Get up there, Sophie.
Look. Look, Piper. Come look. See? We're cleaning it. Cleaning the seeds right out.
That's how we do it. We get those seeds out.
See that? Yeah. No, Sophie, be nice.
I know, but it's okay. She wants to come over and
Don't
look.
bite your finger.
Aw.
Look. Oh boy. Oh boy, yeah.
Yeah.
Take this. Yeah. And then we're gonna cut this too. Okay? Sophie,
Come here,
watch.
Piper.
Sophie,
Sophie.
look. Yeah. Look. Look right here. Oh yeah.
Look how we're doing
Cut your
it.
piece.
Yeah, let her eat
boy.
some. Ooh, yummy. It looks good.
Yep.
There's a plate there, too, if you want to put it on.
I was looking for it.
There's the other one. There's Nicky. Uncle Nick.
Hi, I'm sick today, but I'm alright.
There you go. Look at, there's one interested in bubbles.
Yeah, wonderful.
Yeah, let's look at it. Looks like it's cutting good. Is it sweet?
Oh, it's cutting
It's
soft
good.
and it's sweet.
Sure.
And what kind of melon is it again, Richard?
Israeli.
Israeli.
Israeli melon.
Piper, here. Piper, come here. Here, Piper.
We grew that out of our garden.
Mm-hmm. Nick.
Mmm.
Mm.
Sophie, you want some more?
Want some more? Yummy. Is that good in Grandma's garden? It's a melon, huh? Well, if the grandkids like it, then you know it's good. For sure. Today we picked tomatoes. Look at all the peppers we got.
And melon.
3 colanders of tomatoes and a ton of peppers and this wonderful melon here, which is the second one we've gotten out of the garden. There's about 3 more in there. So I'm glad that the melons turned out so well this year. Can you guys say goodbye? See you later.
Say goodbye. Bye, Grandma.
This is Last Garden Standing. These are my grandkids and my husband. And this is getting our melons and peppers and tomatoes all picked. Now I'm going to can the tomatoes and we're going to use the peppers too in a different way. Share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.